Hey loves, hey. So loves, welcome. I'm Geraldine and this is my intro to my second channel, which is called This Diva Can Cook Too. And on this channel, you'll get cooking recipes and restaurant vlogs, and I might do some light mukbang type videos on here as well. This channel is dedicated, though, to my foster mother and grandmother. I just love their Southern cooking, which I will be incorporating in my videos, which are their recipes as well as my recipes, which I have tweaked over the years. So my recipes are meant to be tweaked to your taste buds or to your taste palette. And so nothing has to be exact. Videos will be uploaded once weekly or more, and look for the first video the first week of June 2022. I hope you will follow me and support me on this new channel, as well as continue to follow me on my other channel, Diva Decorating. Now, I pray you will take this journey with me and that we'll grow and we'll learn exciting new ideas and recipes together, okay? And we will explore the world of fascinating and fabulous foods. I love to cook, I love to eat, and I love you guys. Bon appetit. Guys, I have a little clip at the end of this video. I hope you'll continue to watch the video until the end. And it's just a clip of a restaurant vlog for my grandson's birthday. He turned 27 and we took him out to dinner, and I just added this clip on so you can enjoy some more of the video. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in that first video. Bye bye, my loves.
Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know, ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time, needed some time to grow. Just wanna let you know, ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time, ready to talk, baby, can be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you, just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride. Is there a chance that we could make another try? I think we're meant to be, didn't wanna say goodbye. If there's a chance, just tell me how, cause time is precious, time is now. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know, ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time, needed some time to grow. Just wanna let you know.
Okay, so we are here at the place, Bob Evans. We about to get our grub on. Yes.
Celebrity design.
Let me show y'all the family. Show y'all the family. This the family. This the son. This the daughter-in-law. This the daughter, baby girl. Okay, they hugging so much you can't see them. Okay. Grandson's birthday today. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Okay. Happy. And me. Silly old me.
You 25 today? 27? Oh.
He done cussed out the supervisor a couple times.
got Frank's. Frank's or Tabasco? Frank's. Gotcha. Bacon sheet right here. You said Frank's, right? Yeah. Okay, cool. I'm gonna grab the Frank's and some more lemonade. Okay. Yep.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, good look.
I'm filming you. I'm just filming y'all food.